What's up guys, it's V here. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and every year Madam Glam has a breast cancer awareness campaign, and so they come out with a Think Pink collection, which is just a bunch of different pinks. And if you buy any gel from the Think Pink collection, they will actually donate $1 to the cause. I participated in this campaign last year, and I'm happy to be able to participate in it again this year. So that is what we're doing today. I'm gonna be showing you a nail set. I actually did both hands, but only one on camera. I will make sure to link everything down below, the collection, if you wanna check them out. These specific gels, only one of them that I use wasn't in the collection, but take a look. There's plenty of pinks to choose from, and yeah, I will have my discount code and all that good stuff. So thank you so much, Madam Glam, for allowing me to participate in this with you guys. I am always happy to support this cause. You guys didn't tell me I had something in my hair. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to doing what I used to do, where I would do the thumb off camera, and I usually post that on like Instagram or like TikTok. So that's what I'm gonna start doing again for my thumbs. I don't know why I stopped doing that, but this is what I did for the thumb for now. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you can tell what I did just by looking. I'm going to take the middle finger here, and I'm gonna use the color Daydream. So pretty. And I'm gonna apply maybe 2 thin coats. Okay, I have this little pink bow charm that I really want to use. I have so many charms, as you guys know, so I want to start incorporating them pretty much in every set because I need to use them. So I'm going to apply some Rhinestone glue. This is Makartt's. And then I'm going to top that with a top coat. I don't know where my no wipe top coat is from Madam Glam. So this is the one that you still have to wipe off. It's got the tacky layer. And then I'm going to just put this bow right in the middle. And it dangles, so I have to be careful. I don't want to cure the bells down. There we go. Look at how adorable that is. And it's still loose. Alright, so that is that nail. And then on this pinky here, I think I'm gonna go in and do the same thing that I did with the thumb. So I'm going to add 2 coats of, this is Love Energy. Okay, and so for the ribbon glitters, I actually got those from one of those mixes that I get from the TikTok shop. I got like a hospital super mix. I actually didn't put this one in a haul. I wanted to kind of slow down on those hauls. But yeah, so this is the mix that I got. It was hospital themed. So it came with these ribbons, and I was like, perfect. It was meant to be. So yeah, that was this bento. Very convenient. And that is where I got those glitters. So I'm just gonna add some top coat as my glue. Then I'm just gonna add a couple of glitters randomly. I wonder if I should, I really like this bird, but I probably should have did that on the thumb because it's kind of big for the pinky. So I'll just stick with the glitters. Normally I would add like a one of these to this flashlight to cure that and try to kind of flatten that out, but I don't know, kind of lazy right now. I also have these half round pearls that I'm going to use, and I just placed it in the hole of the bow. All right, I'm gonna add a generous layer of top coat just to kind of like encapsulate this glitter also, since it does stick out a little bit. I'll let it hang upside down for a little. For 60 seconds. Okay, so for these two here, we are gonna be using some gravel. Ugh. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you may not have seen that my gravel collection has grown significantly. And I just so happen to have a really pretty pink gravel that would be perfect for this set. Did go in on the ring and the index also, and I did use Daydream as well, so I'm gonna do 2 coats on these also. I added top coat to them. And then I just dip it right in. Looking to get more of the smaller pieces. Bam, just like that. I'm just kidding. I wiped some of these off. Obviously you don't want it to look like that. I also just kind of like tap it in a little. And when it comes to the gravel, like I don't encapsulate it because I want that texture. I'm sure you can encapsulate it if you want, but that's not what I'm going for in this set, so I'm leaving it raw. Leaving it raw. Just pressing it in a little bit. And then I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. And then do that with the other nail also. Generous layer of top coat. And dip that bee right in there. And these have little tiny bubble beads in there. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. They've got little tiny bubble beads in there, so it's giving a nice reflect. No idea where my no wipe top coat is, so I've been using the regular top coat from Madam Glam. So if you do have this one, make sure you wipe off the tacky layer. Just grab some alcohol and wipe it down, and then you're good. So I have to do that. Okay guys, so this is the final set. I love that there's so many different textures on these nails. Very pretty, very pretty, very girly. I hope you guys like these too. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like the nails and I hope you like the video. Definitely these get in the way. I'm not gonna wear these. These will be coming off soon. I just need to film and I need my hands to look pretty. Yeah, gravel is definitely not something to wear on a daily basis. I pretty much just use it for content purposes. So if you're thinking about using gravel on your nails, I would definitely think about encapsulating if that's the case, because it will catch on everything. Make sure you guys check out the description below for all the information you need to know. And thank you for hanging out with me as always. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.